YouTubers, this is Scuba Chris getting ready to go out for today. I want to highlight this Nomad compact storage bag. Got this at the Fishing Expo a couple days ago. This is a great bag for bringing all your plugging needs as well as your regular spin casting needs. Outside pocket has this nice little tray here for your hooks, leaders, lead weights, anything else you want. The other side here has these nice tubes that you can put in your favorite lures so it doesn't get, the hooks don't get caught up on anything. Open it up. Look at it, you got another case here, and you got so much storage in this nice little unit. Okay, now I can adapt this unit just slightly to fit my needs. I can take out this tray that's inside, the Nomad tray, and I can switch it out for a lure lock, same size. And I highlighted this before. The lure locks are trays that have the sticky inside, okay? So I can use one like this. It's pretty much flat with nothing in it, and I can put whatever size of fishing gear I want, or I can use the units that have the corrugated slots, and I can separate my fishing gear with that. Now you see the inside here, the slots over here. Now I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with that. So I was thinking I can use a Mustad 4-inch bait knife. This is titanium, black titanium coated, and that means that the knife will stay sharper, longer, resist corrosion, and when you cutting up your bait, it doesn't stick to your knife. Or I can use a longer fillet knife, and this is also black titanium coated, you know, so I can clean everything at my site. Don't have to mess up the kitchen with flying scales all over the place. Or I can do all of that and go with my pliers. The Mustad pliers comes with a sheath, and it's also black titanium coated. So many possibilities. Another choice is I can use the tray that the Nomad comes with, and I can use my secure grips, which is also by Lure Lock. I can cut these up and put them in any tray I want. Comes in those strips, and comes in a flat pad too. All right, you know, I really love this Nomad storage bag. There's so many different configurations, and at the show I had a chance to see everything that was out. I love this one. A lot of us guys in Hawaii, we like to go whipping, which is spin casting as well as plugging. What comes with this, with the outer tray, the inner tray, and especially the poly tubes here. You notice these tubes have the Velcro, so it adheres to the outer flaps. So if you have, in Hawaii we use hammer bombs, or you can also use any type of lures. You can also use irons like Castmasters. Stick them safely in here, close them up. I was very impressed with this. This is a pretty good system. I like this one, and I'm going to be using this one from now on. Thanks for watching, guys. Aloha. Thanks for watching my channel, Scuba Chris. I reside on the island of Oahu. I live on one of the highest mountain peaks on the island, and it's such a nice and beautiful place to work and live. Get to watch these beautiful mornings, and just past the trees is the ocean down below. Thanks, guys.